Deep in China's Qinghai Desert stands Baigong Mountain, silent, empty, and hiding a mystery older than recorded history. From its rocky walls, strange metal pipes emerge. Iron tubes fuse seamlessly into solid stone, as if built before the mountain hardened. Scientists mapped the structures and discovered that the pipes extend deep underground, too straight, too organized, too precise for nature. Even stranger, more pipes rise from the dry lake nearby, as if once connected to something larger, a system, a machine, or a forgotten civilization. Chemical tests show traces of metal thousands of years old, but surrounding rock dates back over 150,000 years, defying logic. Some say they're natural formations. Others believe they're relics of a lost technology we can't explain. Not yet. Until the truth emerges, the Baigong pipes remain a riddle carved into stone, whispering that history may be far older than we think.